Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use a tile cutter like this Blue Hawk 20-inch tile cutter that I got from Lowe's. First, you want to measure where you want your mark to be. I usually mark my tile with pencil or something that is easily removed. In this case, I am placing my tile lengthwise because I want to cut it into a long, thin piece. So I placed that pencil mark that I made after I took the measurement in this area. And the arm is adjustable so that you can move it back and forth and secure your tile in place. And you want to be careful that you don't roll over your fingers. So this arm comes up and you just want to move it up and you want to apply some force and slowly move it up along the tile. And I'm kind of moving it forcefully, pushing down as I go. And you want to be sure that you are going slow and making contact with the scoring wheel against the tile. You really only want to score your tile one time because scoring it more than once is going to weaken the tile and could cause a bad break in the tile. It can cause it to break altogether or shatter or cause jagged edges. So you really want to make sure that the first time you score it is the only time you score it. And if you score it properly, it should break very easily. So I'm going slow and deliberate, applying quite a bit of force and pressure as I go up. And once I get to the very top, I'm going to lift up on the arm, and this piece here is then going to fall into place. And then I want to push. And once I push, the break will happen. And there, my tile has just been cut. So you would use this the same exact way if you wanted to cut this tile in half. So this is how you use a Blue Hawk or similar version tile cutter. I hope this video helps, and please leave comments and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching.